Hi everyone, this is our 5th lesson and today we are going to talk about the hand synchronization. For synchronizing your hands you need at least 2 things. The first one is to have your right hand fingers prepared to play on the strings. And the second thing is something I'm going to explain you now in 2 words. One could say that this second thing that has to do with the left hand is to have your fingers sometimes a bit before the right hand, but sometimes a bit after the right hand. That is what I'm going to explain you now. First, let's make it clear what does it mean to have your right hand fingers prepared on the strings. If you remember my video about the right hand basics, I said there that we can use the thumb preparation on the 6th, 5th or 4th string, and we can use also the A finger preparation on the 1st, 3rd or the 2nd string if we need it. Because when we play tirando, which is a very unstable movement, we always need to have some kind of support. It can be the thumb support or the A support. Another kind of the right hand preparation is that you should have not only the thumb on the 5th or 6th string or anything, but also these 3 fingers on 3 strings, on the 3rd, 2nd and 1st string, before to play a chord, before to play arpeggio, before to play some melody also. Like for example, we had this exercise for the left hand. So with this exercise you can see this very clear. Like first you put your fingers on 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 4th string, then you put the chord there, and all fingers are in the right place, and then if you know that your fingers of the right hand are there, your fingers of the left hand are there, only after you are sure, you play. Then you put the fingers back on the strings in order to change the chord without any noise, and in order to be already with your right hand prepared to play the next chord. You change it and you play. The same steps you can also apply in this exercise we had. And so on. You can do, of course, you remember preparation on the 4th string or 5th or 6th measure, and then you try to do the first step. Have your right hand there, already prepared to play, the I finger is already prepared, then put the 1st finger on the 1st fret, then play the string with the right hand. Then put the middle finger on the 1st string and put the 2nd finger on the left hand, the next fret, and play the string with the right hand. Then put the I finger on the 1st string. And then this is like a vicious circle, always like this, always like this. This is how synchronization works. Please always maintain this circle step by step. I have one example from the 24th Caprice of Paganini in 1st variation. So here it is extremely important to have the right hand and left hand very good synchronized. Very important to have the left hand before the right hand, already in this chord position, and not to be too fast with the right hand when the left hand is not yet there. So let's see. I have prepared my right and left hand, then I play. Then I change the chord very fast. Then I put the right hand fingers on the strings and change the chord very fast in order to come in time. And then once again the change. And now it is very hard because I must jump there. So I jump as fast as I can in right direction. So like this. But that I should never play with the right hand before my left hand is here already pressing the right chord. You know, then I wait a bit, very tiny millisecond, till my left hand is already there, and afterwards I play with my right hand. It's always like this here. The left hand must be a bit before the right hand, and of course the right hand should not be faster than the left hand. Let's see now. Now what has happened? I have already played with the right hand when my left hand was not yet there prepared, and then it happened like this, failing. So please avoid this and follow these steps. Always practice very slow to avoid this and to practice to synchronize your hands properly. I have one funny association for this. Imagine like your right hand is some kind of celebrity or a queen, and the left hand is like a red carpet that you can see in some ceremonies. They put the red carpet and queen goes, or the celebrity goes. So first you put the carpet, first you prepare the place to come, and then you come. Then you go with the right hand. Well, let's take a look at the exercises. The first exercise, you remember from the left hand exercises, it was like this. And so on. What we are going to do now is to play the same chords, but using the arpeggio for the right hand, like this. And so on till the 12th fret. Let's see, for this, I'm going to explain you first what we are going to do with the right hand. So you put 4 fingers on the strings, like you did this already for playing this with one chord together, and just the same. And then we are going to play first with the thumb. Then after thumb played, it goes on the 5th string. Then you play with the I, M, E. Then you put fingers back and thumb back. Then you change the chord and play it back. Then you put 3 fingers and thumb back on the strings, change the chord and play. Thumb has played, goes on the 5th string, I, M, A, fingers back, thumb back, change the chord, play. Fingers back, thumb back, change the chord, thumb plays, goes on the 5th string. I, M, A, fingers back, thumb back, change the chord, play the chord back, fingers back, thumb back, and like this always. Please practice exactly this order of your actions in order to synchronize your hands properly. Once again, slowly, I'm going to show you how it looks like. chords also. Please notice, try to change the left hand position as fast as you can and directly, but I have explained it already in my lesson about the left hand. The next exercise I was talking about already in this lesson is this chromatic scale. And here, now please try to notice, always notice how you put step by step these fingers. First you put the right hand finger, and then this left hand, then right hand finger, then left hand finger, then right hand plays, then left hand finger comes. You put the right hand finger on the string and put the next left hand finger. Always like this. So right hand, left hand, right hand, 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 left hand, right hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, right hand, left hand, and so on. And the last exercise is very easy, it's just a chord progression like this. Just like this. For the left hand here, it is very important to change the chords fast enough with logic and in the same time, like putting the two fingers in the same time and not to put first like this or backwards like this. And for the right hand, very important here is to have the thumb preparation on the right strings. So let's see step by step. The first chord you have, for this is A minor. For this you should have the thumb on the fifth string and three fingers on three strings. Then you have the right hand there, left hand there, and you play together two strings, fifth and third. After that you put the thumb on the fourth string and play further with the middle finger and with the first finger, with the A finger. Then you put fingers back on the strings, change the chord to D minor and play together two strings, fourth and third. Then thumb goes on the sixth string and you play the middle finger and A finger. And then you put the third finger on the third fret of the sixth string. First finger stays there on the first fret of the first string. You put the right hand fingers there on the strings and play together two strings, sixth and third, and put the thumb on the fifth string and play the rest of the strings. A, put the fingers back and play the C chord, this, and the thumb on the sixth string. So let's see. You put fifth string and three strings, play together fifth and third. Thumb goes on the fourth string. Then you put fingers back. You can also mute the fifth string. You see now the fifth string sounds. So you can do with this part of the thumb, like tiny movement backwards. Like this you can mute the string in order to control the harmony and not to mix the harmonies, yeah? Then you change the chord after your right hand fingers are there. Change the chord, then play it together fourth and third string and put the thumb on the sixth string and play it to the end. then put the right hand fingers back, leave the first finger there and put the third finger on the third fret of the sixth string. Play together thumb and third string, put the thumb on the fifth string, fingers back, and change the chord to the C major and play together fifth and third string. You can finish with your thumb like this on the sixth string. The logic of the thumb preparation in this case is very easy. You just put the thumb on the next string, on the coming string. Like you play the fifth string, and the next chord you will have starting with the fourth string. So you put directly to the fourth string in order not to do then this movement like later. You don't need. You can do everything good, organize it, and in the right time, like prepare it a bit before. And the next chord starts with the sixth string, so you put already on the sixth string directly after you play the fourth string, like this. And here is the same. You have played the sixth string, you don't need it anymore, so just put the thumb on the next string in order not to have your thumb in the air. You should always have your thumb somewhere on the strings, like not in the air. Please try always to think about how can you spare the movements, how can you do the less movements possible and still reach the purpose, still reach the clear tone, the speed, the warmth, and the the good organization of your fingers. And of course, try to apply all these steps in every piece you play. In every piece you play, apply these principles of synchronization. Like first the right hand is there, then the left hand chord is there, or one note is there, then play this chord or not, then put the right hand back on the strings in order to change without the noise, then change, then play once again, and like this, like I've explained to you already. Well, that was our last lesson already, and I hope so much that you could improve your guitar playing by learning all these things that I've shown you, and that you just enjoyed these lessons, that you had fun by playing these exercises and by learning something new from me. I'm also very grateful to Norman from the guitar school that he gave me this opportunity to share my knowledge with you, and he supported me all this way from my first lesson to my last lesson. And also I'm incredibly grateful to my friend Joaquim Santos Simões for helping me to create this course for you, and it wouldn't be possible that I share my knowledge with you without him, because my knowledge is his knowledge and I received my knowledge from him. Now I can share it with you, and he's such a huge guitarist with huge knowledge, with just incredible person. Now we can say that you are also a bit like his students, because with my help you received also a bit of his huge knowledge. So always enjoy your guitar journey, and I wish you very big luck with this. And I hope to see you later. Bye bye!